In a world full of winners and losers, two men have risen above to bring you the Dirt Sheet.
Hi, I'm John Morrison, and one time I played a 2-hour game of Monopoly with Adam West. I won when he landed on Park Place after I'd built 2 hotels.
Did he pass go and collect $200?
A 2-hour game. He obviously passed go.
And I'm your chick magnet, Thumb is. Speaking of superheroes, there's been a rumor that WWE Films has a new superhero movie coming out.
We call this Sneezerman.
In a place where there is no hope, one knows, and the man attached to it stand for justice.
Stop it!
I'm the game. He is Sneezerman. Is that pepper? Sorry, I'm sick. But while justice naps by the pool, evil lurks around the corner. When Sneezerman's championship is stolen, a new evil threatens the WWE. And this time, evil has a huge chin. Nice underwear.
In Mother Russia, we call them trunks. I want challenge.
Then it's time to play the game.
Game start now.
Game on.
That's what I said.
Game over.
Are you going to get that?
Yeah, just give me a sec. Hey, baby.
Where are you? I told you to get diapers and come straight home.
No, look, just something came up.
You're so stupid! Get home,
To
you've
go
got
to
20
ballet,
minutes.
Dancing with Stars audition.
I'm gonna have to make this quick.
He's got game.
Sneezerman. Wow. Triple H really got in shape for this movie.
It's gonna be a hit.
Dirt sheet? Don't you mean dirty sheets? And why you guys gotta share a bed for? I mean, it's the Palace of Wisdom. It's a palace. More than one room. Rooms everywhere. I'm just saying.
Because in life, there are winners, there are losers.
We are the longest reigning WWE Tag Team Champions in recent history. Be jealous!